I talk a lot about joy and how joy is the antidote to the poison that surrounds you. Joy is an attribute of love. Love is not passive. Love is life force, intelligence flowing through you. It is the stuff of heroes and heroines. It is the stuff of goddesses and gods. It is the stuff that makes us amazing beings. Yes, us, humans. We are amazing. Joy disconnects you from the false grid. The grid that tells you that you're not enough, that you have to be thinner. If only you were thinner, people would like you. If only you had this new gadget, people would like you. It's all bull crap. Joy is the antidote to all of that. Joy and grounding that joy, walking barefoot upon the earth.
Jump, 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 jump.
Hugging a tree, interacting with nature, being part and interconnected with the life force intelligence that flows through all things. This is love. This is love. Love is fierce and gentle, tender and capable, and so much more. Cultivate joy and give those that wish to enslave humankind indigestion. They'll reach for their antidote and will be found lacking. For joy makes you ungovernable and uncontrollable. Joy. Have any of you ever wondered why in so many schools they have canceled or severely limited recess? Why? Because play is a form of joy. It is joy in action when we play. And they wanted to take away our sovereignty by attacking play, by using education as a tool of control. Be uncontrollable. Let your light shine through. Be authentically you. It's not easy, is it? If it was easy, everybody would be doing it. It's the higher road. It's steep. And the incline is arduous. But the view from the top is spectacular. So, joy. Cultivate joy. Part of joy is gratitude. 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 Have some tude with your gratitude. An attitude of gratitude. Gratitude is also part of the antidote to the poison. All attributes of love are the antidotes to the poison. I am so happy that I have gratitude. I feel such gratitude for the beauty that surrounds me of nature. I feel such gratitude for my connections with others. I feel such gratitude for good conversation and beauty and joy. I feel such gratitude for the beautiful flowers. I feel such gratitude. Be sitting here alongside the road near a river, and to have this view fills me with joy and love and gratitude, and that makes me ungovernable. There's a lot of people that talk about Generation X. That's me, Generation X. How feral we are, and how ungovernable we are, and how everybody is possibly afraid of us because they do not understand. Why is that? Oh, is it because we spend all of our time in nature and had to figure out things on our own? So we have in the field training on critical thinking and risk assessment. Maybe that's what made us ungovernable, because we connected early with the original grid, the grid that all humans are supposed to be connected to. The grid of Gaia, the grid of Earth, the grid of Earth. Yes. It's not the grid that you were hearing this on. It's not the internet. It's not the electrical grid. It's the original worldwide grid of Earth. Gaia. Ea. Our home. Connect with nature and be ungovernable. Yes, you be ungovernable. And now let's take a look at these incredible flowers that I've been looking at before I decided to take a moment to make this little video for you and for me. Look at that amazing color. I am so incredibly full of gratitude. Look at this yarrow. Oh, I feel so much gratitude for the rain that fell and nourished and watered all of these beautiful plants. And I love having plenty of good water to drink. I feel such gratitude for that. Emoto talked about writing gratitude, joy, love on water, and how it affected water because it created a field of interconnectivity. This taps into the original grid of Gaia. I feel such gratitude for that as well. Joy. Love. Gratitude. And here is a baby long pine tree. Oh, so gorgeous. Welcome to Earth, little. Hello, beautiful mother, father tree of this little one that's growing here beside the river. Look at this beautiful Rudbeckia, also known as Black-Eyed Susan. So beautiful. Look at those colors and how it dances in the wind. Oh, beautiful flower, beautiful Rudbeckia, beautiful wind. Connect with the earth. Ground. Oh, this wind feels so divine. Oh, I feel so much joy and gratitude alongside this road, in this field, surrounded by nature. Grounding. It's a real flex. Maybe even jump.
Jump, jump. Jump, jump.
Maybe even jump with joy.
Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump.
Jump with joy. I bless you with love from my heart of gratitude to your hearts. Joy is the antidote to the poison that may surround you. Maybe even jump.
Jump, jump. Jump.